I should not be eating cookies this late. Hey everybody, welcome to the ranch. I'm in the kitchen again, and this is for my second video in the Jenny's Scratch Made Kitchen Christmas in July collaboration. I am working with Jenny Goff to give you some Christmas in July inspiration. You know, Christmas inspiration that can get you all the way, because you know what? Christmas it's not too far away. 6 months, guys. Yeah, I said it. Okay, take a breath. Today, I'm going to make some thumbprint cookies. Super easy, 7 ingredients, no time to chill in the fridge. You don't need to chill these guys. So last video I made grape jam, and that's gonna be somewhere up here. That was my first Christmas in July video. And so now we're going to use that jam and some other jams that I have in my refrigerator to make you some Christmas cookies. My kids love this recipe, so come along and see how easy it is to make some Christmas cookies. That way you can put this recipe into your Christmas rotation. I think it just said Christmas way too many times, but I'm excited. Let's go. 1 cup of butter. Room temperature. These are not room temperature yet. I'm just gonna let them sit for a few minutes. So I have the dough in the bowl here, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna scoop it out with a little cookie dough scooper, and I'm gonna roll it up into a ball, dip it in a little bit of sugar, and then I'm gonna flatten it out, press a little like well in the center, and fill it up with some of my jam. But I wanted to show you what I've got so far. I've got Christmas jam that I made at Christmas time, delicious, made with cranberries and some strawberries and some good stuff. I've got some of my homemade grape jelly that I just made a few weeks ago. And then I've got some blueberry jam, blueberry preserves that I made from some fresh blueberries that we picked at a blueberry farm here in Texas. So blueberry, Christmas jam, and grape jelly. So let's see which one the kids like better. And let me show you how we're gonna make them once the dough is just mixed. And remember, you don't want to over mix the dough, so be really careful when you're mixing everything together. So I showed you all the mixing. Don't over mix it, get it all pulled out, and then let's scoop it, roll it, flatten it, and fill it. All right, did one of these, let's see. 1 scooper, roll, 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 roll. Put it right here. Flatten it out a little bit. Put a little thumbprint indentation. A little thumbprint indentation. And then I'll start filling these with my jam here in a minute.
Is any of them grape?
This one is, these are grape. Even though it doesn't look like grape.
That looks like blueberry.
That is blueberry.
Which one's grape?
This one, these are great. This is great.
Yeah, why does it look so like bright?
So light, I don't know. So we've got a row of Christmas jam, blueberry, and grape jelly. Let's put them in to the oven. Oh, they look like they're just about done. Top one's not, but the bottom ones are looking good. Let's get them out. Oh, they look delicious. Oh, I'm excited for these. All right, guys, thanks so much for coming and joining me on this second Christmas in July video. Thanks again to Jenny Goff for inviting me to this collaboration. I've had a blast making some different things for Christmas right now in July. Don't forget to go check out all the rest of the videos in the playlist. This is such a cool collaboration because it is really a great way for you to get inspired now for what's to come in 6 months. I hope you add this Christmas cookie recipe into your rotation. It's definitely one of our favorites. Now, the kids did mention, Abigail actually in particular mentioned that the cookie to jam ratio on these was a little much. It was a little more shortbread and a little less jam, and she likes it kind of better the opposite way. So next time I make these, I think I'm gonna make them a little bit smaller. So I'm gonna use the smallest cookie scoop next time for the cookies. So it's a good one. I hope you enjoy it. Thanks again for coming by. Don't forget to subscribe and to like and leave me comments. I want to know if you've tried this before, and maybe you have a different recipe with different ingredients or something I can add to spice it up a little bit. Whatever you have for me, I love to hear it. We love when you join us and leave us those comments. So thanks again. We appreciate you. See you next time. Bye. Oh, this is really good. Like, really good. I like the Christmas jam one the best. Blueberry's good. Grape jelly's good. Blueberry. Delicious. This is not healthy. This is your fault. I blame you. I'm trying to give you a good recipe to use. I had to try it out.